English Garden. Bring the world to you all. In this video, we are going to talk about used to. And later on, we are going to explain the differences between used to and be used to and get used to. Used to. Used to actually functions as a modal verb. We use modal verbs such as can, could, would, or should to talk about things such as ability, probability, suggestion, advice, or obligation. Used to is a modal verb that we specifically use to talk about habits we had in the past. Because it functions as a modal verb, we always put used to with a base verb. Here's the basic structure. Used to in the positive structure. Subject plus used to plus base verb. For examples, he used to eat rice. That means he ate rice repeatedly in the past, but does not eat it anymore. She used to run every day. That means that she ran regularly in the past, but doesn't run anymore. We used to be good friends. That means that we were good friends in the past, but we are not good friends now. Keep in mind that we never change the base verb that comes after used to. Used to in the negative structure. If we want to talk about how a habit or repeated action didn't exist in the past, but it exists now, we can use did not used to. Here, we use used to instead of used to because of the auxiliary verb did, so be careful of the spelling here. Subject plus didn't plus used to plus base verb plus ... For examples, he didn't used to cry so much. She didn't used to drive so fast. We didn't used to sing like this. Please remember the negative form, didn't used to. Used to in a question structure. It is possible to use used to in a question if we want to know if someone has always had the habit they have now. And in this case, we have to follow the same spelling of used to without the D at the end. Did plus subject plus used to plus base verb plus ... We can also put a question with used to in the negative. Didn't plus subject plus used to plus base verb. For examples, didn't you used to climb trees when you were a kid? Did they used to take such long vacations? Be used to and get used to. In this video, we are grouping be used to and get used to together because they have a similar function and their meanings are almost the same. Both be used to and get used to are adjectives that mean we are accustomed to doing something or that we are in the process of getting accustomed to it. With be get used to, there are two possible structures. Subject plus be get plus used to plus ing. Subject plus be or get plus used plus noun. For example, I am used to waking up early. It means that I am accustomed to waking up early. He's still not get used to his new job. We're already used to the customs here. English learners often confuse used to be used to, and get used to. And that makes a lot of sense. They sound almost exactly the same, after all. However, they actually have very different functions in the English language. Therefore, how do we use them, and what is the difference? The difference between used to, be used to, and get used to is used to is a verb we use to talk about something that happened in the past that doesn't happen anymore. We always use it in the past tense. Be used to or get used to is an adjective. That means we are so familiar with something that it seems normal or usual. Like any adjective, we can use the verb be or get before it. Thanks for watching.